So on the side of the key you have this button, you press this down and push it in. Once you do, you can take this out, and on here you've got this bit here, you just kind of pull it up, pull it away from the key itself. Once you do, it comes out like this. Now you can have anything sharp, or you can even use the key end here and just push into the battery like this and it'll pop out. And the battery you have is this. It's a 2030 3V. This is quite difficult to find, but you can buy it at a dealer as well. And once you do, pop the new one back in, and then just put the brackets back on. There you go. And then all you do is just push it in and pop the fob back in as well. There you are, all done.